Hello, everybody. Alright, I will introduce myself. My name is Novellia with NPM 233122014. So, in the video, I will discuss about catering requirements for the development of an e-commerce web application for the supply of fertilizers, seeds, and pesticides in the software modeling analysis course. So, check it out. Alright, next is Introduction to Requirements Gathering, Interview with Farm Shop Partners. Here we have 3 points. First is purpose of the interview, to understand the needs, constraints, and expectations of the farm shop for the application to be developed. And then second is partner. Our partner is Wisman Jayatani, an agricultural store that sells fertilizers, seeds, pesticides, and herbicides. And point 3 is main target of the app, helping the store in managing product, simplifying transactions, and increasing market reach. Alright, in developing app, understanding user need is a very important first step. Therefore, my team and I conducted interviews with farm shop partners to find out how their current sales system works, what are the obstacles they face, and what features they need in the application that we will create. The application we developed is a simple mobile-based e-commerce using Flutter and Dart. The main focus of this application is to help farm shops sell their products more easily. And then the purpose of this interview is to gather information directly from the partners as potential users of the application. By understanding their needs, we can design a system that is more in line with the daily operations of the farm shop, so that the application we create can really provide benefits and convenience in managing their business. And then this interview also aims to get an idea of what features are really needed, how their current workflow is, as well as input on the technical and business aspect that can be applied in this application. Therefore, we were able to develop a simple yet effective solution for a medium-sized farm shop. In addition, since the app was built using Flutter and Dart, we also considered the ease of back-end management, so that store partners can easily add products, manage stock, and then accept orders without the need for complex technical skills. Alright, next is a profile of farm shop partners. Our partner shop name is Misman Jayatani, and then location in Margomlio Village, Jatiagung District, and products sold is fertilizers, and then seeds, pesticides, and herbicides. And then current sales system is sales are still made directly at the store, and then stock management is still manual, and payment only through cash. Alright, next. Next is obstacles faced by partners. Here we have 3 points. First is difficult to reach new customers. The store doesn't have a digital platform to market its product more widely. And then second point is unstructured ordering process. The absence of an automated recording system makes the process slower and error-prone. And then third point is limited payment options. Currently, only able to accept cash payments, many customers have requested digital payment options such as like a Dana or OVO. Okay. Next is required application features. We have 5 points. For the first is digital product catalog, displays a list of available fertilizers, seeds, and pesticides. And then point second is only ordering feature. A customer can select product and check out directly in the app. And point three is simple stock management. Stores can update stock quantities in real time. And point four is digital payment option. Support payment like via Dana or OVO. And fifth, point five is order notification. Notify the shop admin when an order comes in. Alright, next. Shop workflow in the app. For the first is store admin adds product to the app catalog, and then second is customer select product and places order. And then third is admin receives order notification, and then customer makes payment with Dana or OVO. And then point last is store processes that order and customer receives product. And then next, here we have partner feedback for the app. Alright, the app is simple enough, no need for complex features such as financial reports. And then it must be easy to use because store admins are not used to digital systems. And then display must be clear and simple so that customers are not confused when shopping. And then last is integration with WhatsApp is still needed for order confirmation. And then here last is conclusion based on interviews with farm shop partners. Here we found that small and medium-sized shops face several obstacles in the sales process, such as manual record keeping, limited customer coverage, and difficulty in managing stock. Therefore, the e-commerce application that we will develop aims to provide a simple yet effective solution with key features such as product management, online ordering, order notification, and digital payment system. And then this application is designed using Flutter and Dart to run well on mobile devices and utilizes a simple backend such as Firebase or MySQL for data management. With this application, it is expected that farm shops can more easily manage their business, increase sales, and provide convenience for customers to buy fertilizers, seeds, and pesticides online, of course. And then the success of this project depends on a deep understanding of the partner's need, development of appropriate features, and then an easy of use for the shop owners. The app is not only a digital tool but also a practical solution that supports the growth of farm shops in the digital era. Alright, that is all, and thank you because you guys have watched this presentation. And if in my discussion there is a mistake in explaining, I apologize and see you later.